Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's been an exciting start to the year for Intel. We've launched new solutions, explored new ways to partner, and bring value for our customers. Today adds to that momentum. We're thrilled to have you join us as we share the latest news on Intel Xeon 6. Data center is a market we have invested in for decades. x86 sets the standard and continues to power the majority of data centers today. With compute growing at an unprecedented pace, the demand for powerful CPUs is growing in lockstep. Intel Xeon has a critical role in fueling both growth and demand. And this generation of Xeon takes that to new heights, delivering for the broadest set of workloads. Simply put, the Xeon 6 family is our best yet. Before I hand it over to Corinne and Sachin to share more, I want to take a moment to express my appreciation to our customers and partners. We're proud to have one of the largest ecosystems in the industry, and we sincerely appreciate the continued collaboration. Thank you. Corinne, over to you.
Thank you for joining us today. As MJ mentioned, we are thrilled to share the latest Xeon developments with you. Intel's data center and AI business is evolving, but one thing has remained constant. Intel continues to be at the heart of our partner and customer ecosystems. As enterprises modernize their infrastructure to meet the demands of next-gen workloads like AI and high performance, efficient compute solutions have never been more critical. Xeon and x86 are foundational to the global data center ecosystem, powering a broad spectrum of workloads across industries. Our strategic growth in Intel's data center and AI business will be fueled by a differentiated roadmap that not only addresses today's trends, but also anticipates where the market is heading tomorrow. For generations, Xeon has powered the broadest set of workloads of any vendor in the market. This legacy will continue to shape our path forward. Intel remains at the forefront of core enterprise workloads, and we are committed to ongoing innovation to meet our customers' evolving needs. We are laser-focused on two key growth paths while helping customers solve their most pressing challenges. One, our core Xeon business, supporting customers as they modernize and consolidate infrastructure to meet the demands of today's workloads. We will help our customers evolve aging infrastructure, increasing performance, while lowering power usage and cost. The second path is making sure that Xeon continues to be the best option in the market for emerging workloads. We are seeing customers leverage Xeon for AI workloads, both as host CPU in accelerated AI systems, as well as being the best CPU in the market for AI computation. AI on Xeon is a powerful opportunity, and we are excited to introduce our new and powerful Xeon 6 CPUs designed to help our customers accomplish both efficiency and performance goals. I want to formally introduce our newest Xeon 6 processors with performance cores. This new family of CPUs deliver industry-leading performance for the broadest set of data center and network infrastructure workloads, and unmatched efficiency, creating the opportunity for server consolidation. The Intel Xeon 6700, 6500 series processor with P-cores strike the perfect balance between power and energy efficiency and are the ideal CPU for modern data centers. Xeon 6 is the only x86 solution that meets the market's need for scalability and flexibility, offering a variety of configurations that enhance processing power, I/O bandwidth, and memory capacity, all of which boost overall system performance and reliability. So let's take a closer look at workloads. Across a broad range of workloads, Xeon 6 averages up to 40% higher performance than 5th Gen Intel Xeon. Xeon 6 is also the foundational CPU for AI systems, pairing exceptionally well with a GPU as a host node CPU and delivering up to 50% better performance with a third less cores than AMD EPYC. As customers look to optimize their data centers, Xeon 6 offers up to 50% lower TCO while still delivering superior performance. But let's dive deeper into AI on Xeon. We are addressing AI in two ways. First is traditional machine learning, where Xeon 6 delivers leadership CPU performance. And second is Xeon as the CPU host node in an AI system, supporting GPU-accelerated workloads. As AI adoption accelerates, organizations are projected to spend up to $153 billion on Gen AI by 2027, with total spending for machine learning and analytics reaching $361 billion, according to IDC. Intel Xeon 6 is optimized to capture a meaningful share of this market, providing leadership performance in traditional machine learning, smaller Gen AI models, and as a host node CPU in GPU-accelerated workloads. When compared to 5th-generation AMD EPYC processors, Xeon 6 delivers up to 38% better AI performance on language models up to 20 billion. All this AI performance is fueled by Intel's AMX and MRDIMM technologies, two key differentiators for AI and HPC you can only find on Xeon. And to help keep your data secure, Intel TEDx Connect enables confidential AI via encrypted protection between the CPU and the GPU. And customers are capitalizing on these advantages. Intel is collaborating with silicon software and solution providers to enable the AI ecosystem, reinforcing Xeon 6 as the go-to CPU for AI systems. As AI adoption grows, there is a critical need to lower power consumption, cost, and infrastructure footprint. Xeon 6 solves this challenge in a number of ways. First, 1.87x better performance versus AMD EPYC, and 46% better TCO in new deployments. And when looking to upgrade from 2nd-gen Xeon, Intel Xeon 6 offers a server consolidation ratio of 5:1 on average, with a potential for 10:1 in certain use cases, driving up to 68% savings in total cost of ownership. These consolidation benefits are bolstered by even broader outcomes like enhanced security and increased reliability. The Xeon 6 processors have already seen widespread adoption across the global ecosystem, with over 500 designs either available or in progress. So whether you are a cloud service provider seeking extreme core density or a major AI player needing a true CPU workhorse, Xeon 6 has the versatility to address nearly any requirement. You will hear direct from some of our customers in a few minutes, but we are proud to have a wide range of server systems and software solutions available globally from leading companies like Dell, HPE, Lenovo, Microsoft, Nutanix, NVIDIA, Oracle, Red Hat, SAP, Supermicro, VMware, and many others. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you for our partners and customers for your decades of trust and collaboration. Now, let's hear from Sachin Katti about even more new Xeon launching today.
Thank you, Karine and Michelle, and thank you to everyone joining us today. This is an exciting day for our customers, partners, and for all of us here at Intel. Today, we are introducing a breakthrough in network and AI automation with our new Intel Xeon 6 processor lineup, designed to deliver exceptional results and power-efficient solutions for modern networks. We are not just keeping up with the future of AI, we are driving it. For over a decade, Intel has been committed to advancing the telecommunications industry, and that commitment has never been stronger. We've seen strong momentum in our network and telco business. In fact, in Q4 alone, our revenue grew by 10% quarter over quarter. And with the launch of new products, we are poised to expand our leadership well into the future. For telecom providers, we continue to optimize network performance, integrate built-in AI capabilities, and drive down unnecessary hardware, heat, and costs, all while enhancing security. It's great to know what the industry is actively embracing today. Intel Xeon platforms are the gold standard for core network and vRAN performance and efficiency. But what about the future? In an industry where infrastructure is massive, expensive, and mission critical, telcos need to be very purposeful in this process. The network industry is evolving fast, and AI is now at the heart of it. By embracing AI-driven network modernization, we can revolutionize service delivery and efficiency like never before. As AI evolves, the rules are changing rapidly. But one thing remains clear. Telcos need solutions that are not only performant and efficient, but also cost-optimized. Intel has always been committed to providing the silicon innovation that supports the next-generation AI-powered network. By adapting the best of cloud technologies and collaborating closely with partners, we are helping operators virtualize both 5G core and radio access networks, proving that the most complex, critical network workloads can run on general-purpose silicon and drive down the cost of ownership. And now we are entering the era of AI automation in the network. And the Intel Xeon 6 processor family that we are introducing today provides AI inference performance without discrete accelerators across cloud, data center, and edge, further reducing operator complexity and providing a CPU lineup built for networks and the new era of AI automation. I'm proud to announce the launch of the Intel Xeon 6 SoC. It's this beautiful thing here, codenamed Granite Rapids D. This processor redefines the standard for performance per watt, TCO savings, and AI acceleration for RAN, media, edge, and enterprise security workloads. Let's start with the RAN. With Intel Xeon 6, we are driving the vRAN revolution forward, delivering up to 2.4x more capacity and up to 70% better performance per watt than previous generations. And we are simplifying the entire solution by integrating AI acceleration directly into the processor. Here's what that means in practice. We've increased the core count from 32 to 72 with up to 70% performance per watt gain versus our 4th generation Intel Xeon with vRAN Boost. We have packed more functionality into the SoC than ever before, reducing complexity, lowering heat, cutting costs, and saving space. On top of that, AI performance per core has improved by 3.2x, powered by integrated AI acceleration with Intel Advanced Vector Extensions, AVX, and Intel Advanced Matrix Extensions, AMX. Operators can now tap into AI in the RAN today without needing costly additional hardware. We have also integrated up to 8 Ethernet ports with a total throughput of up to 200 gigabits per second, ensuring robust platform connectivity. And for vRAN operators looking for even more capacity, we are introducing the E830 Ethernet controller with up to 200 gigabit per second bandwidth and precision time measurement, alongside the ultra-efficient E610 for control plane networking. Nearly every commercial vRAN deployment worldwide runs on Intel Xeon. And as Open RAN continues to evolve, we are collaborating with operators like Verizon, AT&T, and Vodafone to define the next-gen vRAN and Open RAN networks powered by Intel Xeon 6. Xeon 6 SoC also transforms video low latency streaming over 5G. Intel Media Transcode Accelerator is becoming the industry's first server SoC to deliver up to 14x better performance per watt for video transcoding compared to previous generations. This AI-optimized technology enables video service providers to offer near real-time experiences for live sports, gaming, and auctions, all with significantly reduced power consumption. CineMedia, a leading video technology provider, is already benefiting by offloading transcode functions to the integrated media accelerator. They're improving performance and delivering high-quality video while lowering the cost and energy required per stream. At the edge, the Xeon 6 SoC enables workload consolidation and space savings. Thanks to optimized architecture and increased capacity, operators can dramatically reduce their server footprint. For RAN, configurations that previously required 2 servers can now run on a single server, lowering capital and operational costs while optimizing TCO. Network security, we know, is paramount for enterprises, especially at the edge. Enterprise applications, including AI processing, are evolving rapidly at the edge. And as more devices are connected at the edge, more data goes through the network, requiring advanced security solutions to be deployed at the edge to protect the growing value. One of the core benefits of the Intel Xeon 6 SoC is its leading security features. maintaining secure connections from the edge to the cloud with zero trust network access, addressing such dynamic requirements at the edge. And across RAN, media, edge, and enterprise security workloads, Xeon 6 SoC lets operators unlock the power of AI without the need for proprietary hardware. We've invested heavily in AI research and development into models and where they can be beneficial to telco networks. Intel Xeon 6 SoC integrates powerful AI acceleration using AVX and AMX. And with Intel-optimized AI tools like the vRAN AI Development Kit, operators can seamlessly introduce AI into their existing workloads. Take Samsung, for example. Xeon 6 SoC is enhancing performance and energy efficiency while accelerating AI integration across the RAN, helping them achieve their TCO and AI goals. Similarly, at Ericsson, Xeon 6 is helping them drive innovation in Cloud RAN, meeting the evolving needs of their customers while advancing AI in their networks. Our Intel Xeon 6 processors with E-cores, formerly known as Sierra Forest SP, launched in 2024, are being adopted at an unprecedented speed by 5G core solution vendors and service operators worldwide. Solution partners are seeing incredible power savings, up to 60% for Nokia, without compromising key metrics like throughput, latency, or packet loss. And with Intel Infrastructure Power Manager software, we are enabling operators to dynamically optimize power consumption, unlocking significant operational savings. Partners like Samsung will be deploying Intel Xeon 6 with E-cores this year, expecting both a 3.2x capacity improvement per CPU and a significant reduction in CPU power. We've also collaborated with Ericsson to bring about a 3.8x improvement in performance per watt for communication service providers, cutting the time to market for new technology from years to just months. Other key partners include BT Group, Dell, HP Enterprise, NEC, NTT Docomo, and SK Telecom. And they're all in various stages of the selection of world-class telco solutions built on Xeon 6 with E-cores to help increase rack performance while lowering energy consumption. With Intel Xeon 6, we are enabling operators to achieve next-level performance, efficiency, and AI-driven transformation, all while reducing complexity. And this is just the beginning of what's possible. At MWC, join us and our ecosystem of partners and customers continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of networks and AI. Safe travels to those of you who are attending MWC, and look forward to seeing you all in Barcelona. Let's take a moment to listen to what our customers are saying.
We're witnessing a monumental shift in cloud and AI infrastructure. And our customers, they're demanding the highest level of performance and energy efficiency.
AT&T is teaming up with Ericsson and Intel to build the world's most open, programmable, and reliable RAN network.
With Intel Xeon 6, combined with our Cloud RAN and cloud-native 5G core technology, we'll continue meeting our evolving customer needs while driving AI advancement across the industry.
Together, we've driven the shift towards open, hybrid cloud infrastructure, simplifying complexity and optimizing solutions.
That's why we're excited to bring Intel's next-generation Xeon 6 architecture to our customers. And with it, a whole new level of compute performance, AI acceleration, and efficiency. Exactly what our customers need to handle the most demanding workloads, from AI-driven analytics to hybrid cloud applications.
Going to work with industry-leading partners like Intel are important. For example, the innovation journey toward the future networks.
Not only are we driving the next level of performance and energy efficiency with Intel Xeon 6, but we're also excited to deploy new technologies to support our customers.
Intel's new Xeon 6 processor marks significant leap forward in performance and efficiency.
This technology allows for ongoing AI advancements through seamless software updates, helping to connect individuals and improve their wireless experience.
By offloading the transcode function to its integrated media processors, we can design media products that are much more dense as well as power efficient.
We are excited to continue this journey with Intel Xeon 6 to deliver cutting-edge capabilities like confidential computing and CXL-based memory tiering.
Combining Xeon 6 with Supermicro's industry-leading exporting systems, provides customers the perfect solution to consolidate their data center server footprint and diversify their infrastructure for emerging AI workloads.
Together with Intel, we're enabling our customers to scale smarter, work more efficiently, and accelerate their AI-powered transformations.
At Red Hat, we feel combining open source with AI and Intel Xeon 6 processors, designed with high core counts and built-in accelerators, will allow service providers to realize AI's full capabilities.
Together with Intel, we're helping enterprises run mission-critical workloads better, faster, and smarter.
We're impressed by Intel's energy-efficient hardware and software technologies such as Intel Xeon 6 with eCores and Intel Infrastructure Power Manager. And it's exciting to see that some of our top partners are now ready to integrate such solutions with their own for the benefit of our networks.
Terrific opportunity to see how our companies are working together to bring faster time to value for our joint customers.
With IT organizations crunched between growing workload demands, increased power costs, and data center expansion constraints, there has never been a better time to refresh compute infrastructure. Dell PowerEdge R-Series rack servers with Intel Xeon 6 processors give IT leaders the modern, scalable, and efficient compute infrastructure that they need to meet rapidly growing data center demands now and well into the future.
We are thrilled to feature Intel Xeon 6 in 8 of our new ProLiant Gen 12 servers that deliver more performance, more efficiency, and next-level security from chip to cloud. Now customers who refresh are not only getting great performance, but they're maximizing their space, their power, and their time.
We are excited to see how this technology will power our customers' most demanding workloads
and unlock the full potential of scalable and more secure AI systems based on open ecosystems and standards.
You've heard a lot from us today. We're proud to have the support of such a broad set of customers and partners. With this launch, we're thrilled to complete the Xeon 6 portfolio. We look forward to the continued innovation we will drive together. Thank you for joining us.